Welcome back to the Aussie Prepper channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a look at something that is readily available at all hardware stores and that can be really handy even in a day-to-day life situation, but it can be a downright lifesaver in an emergency situation. And what we're going to look at today is the universal security tap key. This is it here. You can buy this at most hardware stores for less than $20, and this will allow you to access water pretty much anywhere in an urban or even a lot of times in the regional environment. You'll find a lot of external taps in parks, toilet blocks, community areas, community halls, public toilets will have a special tap that you can't actually turn on. You will need one of these to turn on the tap. So let's open this up and have a closer look at it, and then we'll go out and actually use it. That's it there. This one comes with a handy little strap and the carabiner that you can also lock, which is a great little idea. You could just clip this to your backpack if you've got like an urban get home bag or something like that, or bug out bag. I will be carrying this with me in my car, in my work van. It will allow me to access water in a lot of places where otherwise I wouldn't be able to. So if you end up in an emergency situation where you need to access water, you definitely want to have one of these. I'll give you a closer look. It's got different size little keys on each end there that will allow you to access different taps. So let's go out and see how well it works. Here we are. That's looking one way. Having a look around. There is no available drinking water. There's a building there. The dog's a little bit thirsty. Let's see if we can get some water. There's no one here. I can see a tap over there. Let's see if there's any way to get some water out of that tap. Well, I can see the problem here. Lucky we've got our key with us. So it looks like it might be that size there. No. And we have water for the dog to drink, or for us to drink, or to replenish our water supply. And then we can turn it back off, just like magic. Okay, as you just saw, this thing works like a beauty. It allows you to access water where otherwise you wouldn't be able to. It could be something as simple as you want to top up your water bottle, or you want to have a cold drink, or it could be an emergency situation where your radiator's run out of water and you need to put some water into your car's radiator, or anything else for that matter. So I highly recommend that you go out, buy yourself one of these and put it into your emergency kit in your car or your backpack or your get home bag or your bug out bag or whatever you have that you're planning to use when the time comes that you need it. Now, if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Aussie Prepper. Thanks for watching and bye for now.